Welcome to the Lawe Popo channel. We are here to guide you through important car care. Today, we will learn about the important process of a transmission fluid change. Transmission fluid helps your car's gearbox run smoothly and prevents it from getting too hot. But over time, this fluid gets old and dirty, losing its important lubricating power. Regularly changing your transmission fluid helps your car's transmission last much longer. First, park your car on a flat surface and make sure the parking brake is on. Next, lift the car using a jack or a hydraulic lift to easily reach underneath. Then, find the transmission fluid pan located under the car. Place a drain pan right beneath the transmission pan to catch the old fluid. Carefully remove the drain plug and let all the old fluid flow out. Clean the transmission pan, and if needed, replace the gasket. Then, reinstall the drain plug tightly to prevent any leaks. Now remove the transmission dipstick and pour in the new, fresh transmission fluid. Always use the exact type of fluid recommended by your car's maker. Start the engine and shift through all gears to help the new fluid spread out. Finally, check the fluid level with the dipstick and add more if needed. Always make sure to get rid of used transmission fluid in a way that protects our planet. Many cars need their fluid changed every 0 to 60 miles. If your car's gears slip or shift slowly, it could mean your fluid is low or dirty. Clean, bright red fluid means your car will shift smoothly and engage gears better. Some newer cars have sealed transmissions, which means a professional needs to service them. Using the wrong type of fluid can hurt your car's performance and cause damage. Regular maintenance, like fluid changes, is much cheaper than replacing the whole transmission. Always check your car's owner's manual to find the right fluid and when to change it. Taking good care of your transmission can even help your car use less fuel and drive better. Dirty transmission fluid can make your gearbox get too hot and even break down. Always let your car cool down before you start changing the fluid. Never put too much fluid in. Overfilling can cause problems. Some cars, like 4x4 seconds, have both transmission and transfer case fluids. Check both. Congratulations! You have learned how to do a proper transmission fluid change. If your car has a transmission filter, make sure to replace it when you change the fluid. The filter catches tiny bits of debris and metal from normal wear and tear. Some transmissions need a special tightness when you put the drain bolt back on. Always check for any leaks after you have refilled the transmission. If you see red fluid under your car, check it right away. It could be a leak. Some cars need fluid added from the top using a special fill plug. Always wear safety gloves and eye protection when doing this job. Heat is the worst enemy of transmission fluid. It makes it break down faster. Using a transmission cooler can help keep temperatures just right. If you tow things or drive in very hot places, change your fluid more often. Transmission fluid also lubricates all the important seals and clutches inside the gearbox. If your car feels rough or slow when shifting, check the fluid first. Modern cars have smart sensors that watch how well the transmission is working. A fluid flush completely replaces all the old fluid. Unlike just draining and refilling a little, flushing is a good idea when the fluid is really dirty or even burnt. But if your transmission is already very damaged, a flush might not be a good idea. Always use a funnel to avoid spilling new fluid everywhere. If transmission fluid spills, clean it up quickly, or it can harm rubber parts. Automatic and manual cars use different kinds of transmission fluids. Never mix different fluid brands or types. It can cause serious problems. After the service, take your car for a short drive to make sure the gears shift smoothly. Listen carefully for any unusual sounds and check if the shifts are consistent. If your transmission hesitates or jerks, recheck the fluid level right away. Some transmissions do not have a dipstick. You have to use a special fill, check plug instead. Keeping good service records helps you know exactly when your next fluid change is due. Transmission fluid also plays a role in cooling the internal parts of your gearbox. Always check the fluid color. Bright red is good. Dark brown means it is time to replace. Proper transmission care ensures your car is reliable and performs smoothly. Taking care of your car now helps you avoid expensive repairs later. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to Lawe Popo for more great car tips.